St. Simons traffic, Skylane 245, Charlie Sierra departing runway 16, going to be a departure out to the northwest. St. Simons. All right, finals clear. Here's the end of runway 16. Power is full. Airspeed's alive. There's 59. A gentle tug off the runway, tap the brakes. Oh, pitch down for VY. There's VY. Now we're gonna hold it for our climb, gain some altitude. And flaps are coming up.
Simons Island.
St. Simons traffic, Skylane 5 Charlie Sierra left crosswind 16, St. Simons. Ooh, look at all the beachgoers.
All the beachgoers. Just having so much fun at the beach.
St. Simons traffic, Skylane 5 Charlie Sierra is turning left downwind runway 16 and will be departing on the downwind out to the northwest. St. Simons. Continue our climb. Alright, holding our VY climb, which is about 80 knots. We're climbing over 1,000 feet per minute on this hot day.
Oh.
1,600. We're gonna climb up to 4,000. We're going underneath a MOA, and we'll be getting our clearance away. We have traffic out our right, 1,200 feet above us. I'm gonna level here for a minute until we pass them. Looks like they're gonna pass behind us. Let me know when you get them in sight. If you do. I'm gonna stay here for a second. 1 to 2 o'clock, 1,100 above.
Looking.
I got him. Passing above us. We'll just stay here now, below the clouds. Our option is to get above it and call or below, but we can just stay below. Call them. Alright, I'm gonna let autopilot help me while I'm doing this. I'm gonna go heading and altitude for right now. It's like a rough lean while I get my clearance. We'll get our climb here in a second.
Alright, we'll advise when we have the fields in sight, Denver 5134.
Thank you. November 5 Foxtrot Yankee, inbound from the west is a regional jet. They're planning on runway 7. It looks like, based on your speeds right now, they're going to end up beating you to the field, though. So plan to be number 2 behind the regional jet landing opposite runway.
Okay, understood. 195 Fox, take it. That's fine. What's your location, I'm sorry, for 195 Fox, take it?
Right now, they're west of the field still, so they're still a ways out, but they are pretty fast. So they're about 35 miles west of Golden Miles.
Roger, thank you.
You're welcome.
Center Skylane 245 Charlie Sierra is about 5 miles northwest of St. Simons, looking for clearance to Falcon Field.
And I'm sorry, I missed the call sign.
245 Charlie Sierra.
November 245 Charlie Sierra, squawk 2620.
2620, 5 Charlie Sierra.
Denver 5134, VFR traffic, 11 o'clock, and about 10 miles opposite direction, but they'll be off your left side. Altitude indicates 4,600, unverified, does appear to be in a descent.
Okay, we're about to be IMC, but we'll be looking at Denver 5134.
Thank you. November 245 Charlie Sierra, radar contact just southwest of the Golden Miles Airport at 1,900, clear to Kilo Foxtrot Charlie. The radar vectors turn 20 degrees right, climb and maintain 4,000.
Clear to Falcon Field via radar vectors. We'll start with 20 degrees right at 4,000, 5 Charlie Sierra.
Thank you.
Here's 20 right. And we'll start our climb back up again.
Jack Center, land 3055 Foxtrot.
And 3055 Foxtrot, Jack Center, go ahead.
Land 3055 Foxtrot is passing 1,600 for 2,000, turning direct to Dublin.
November 3055 Foxtrot, roger. I'm not picking you up quite yet on my radar. I do have VFR traffic over the field at 2,900, so maintain 2,000 feet.
All right, and our climb to 4,000 on a 325
Heading 280, 2,000, land 55 Foxtrot with a flash.
With the flash.
Guns a flash. We'll be right above that, or what?
We might be a little in
Endeavor
it.
5134, vectors for lower,
I don't know that we're going to be above
15
it.
degrees right.
Oh.
15 right, Endeavor 5134.
Endeavor 5134, descend to maintain
Annoying because all
3,000.
these airports call clear because they are in a pocket of clearness.
3055 Foxtrot, I'm not sure why, but I'm not picking up at all. If you could recycle.
Recycling and squawking 2621, land 55 Foxtrot.
5,000 or 6,000.
If it's too bumpy, we'll go above.
89er November,
We'll ask for
contact
high if we
Jack
need
Center
to.
126.35.
2635, good day, 89 November.
Okay.
I'm going to go.
November 0 Papa Romeo, contact Savannah. Actually, stand by one.
We're going to be exactly in it. But the forecast as we got closer to Atlanta had at 4,000 had us just below all of it. So I'm wondering how long this lasts. It's hard to tell.
It's hard to tell how high we need to go, though.
I think that it would be hard to outclimb it today. I don't know that it'd be worth it. We'll see.
November 0 Papa Romeo,
See how bumpy it is.
some VFR traffic ahead. Descend to maintain 10,000. November 5134, reaching 3,000, clear direct gold miles.
Reaching 3,000 direct gold miles, Endeavor 5134.
Ooh, we might be skimming right on the bottoms, of course.
November 3055 Foxtrot, you are radar contact.
Yep.
And VFR traffic no factor.
Yeah.
Maintain 8,000
It
all
always
on course
works
at
out
this moment.
that way.
Climb 8,000 out of 2,000, land 55 Foxtrot.
Alright, now I'm just leading the mixture on this fuel-injected light combing.
5134, field to the site.
We're looking for 50 degrees rich.
5134. Thank you, IFR cancellation received. And again, that traffic that's planning opposite runways about 11 miles north of the field in the Cessna 190. Squawk 1200.
We're coming up on our peak.
All right, thanks for the update. Squawking 1200 and frequency change approved. Endeavor 5134.
There we go, cylinder 2 just peaked.
Good day.
I'm enriching it.
November 5 Foxtrot Yankee and the regional
Until
jet is
50
about
degrees
12.5 miles west of this field. Still planning on runway 22. They're over on CTAF now.
All right, roger. We have the field site. We can cancel flight following, and we will keep a lookout for him. 195 Fox Yankee.
November 5 Foxtrot Yankee, thank you. Squawk 1200, frequency change approved.
Thanks for your help. Have a nice day.
Okay. November 5 Charlie Sierra, cleared direct destination.
Direct destination, 5 Charlie Sierra.
November 5 Foxtrot, cleared direct Dublin.
Direct to Dublin, land 55 Foxtrot.
Right. Direct Falcon Field, nav mode is on.
Approach 127.0.
And I'm just now finishing up my leading procedure.
Okay.
That's putting us at 14.5 gallons. And we're low today, so we're tracking only, it's creeping up between like 132 and 133 true. Alright, you want to go ahead and check my cruise checklist for me?
Land 55 Foxtrot, request a heading of 040 temporarily for the climb until we get past this weather.
Power set.
5
Yeah.
Foxtrot approved.
Elevator rudder trim.
Enabled direct Dublin
yep.
and advised.
How flaps.
Are
040
closed.
heading, Dublin wave,
Make
land
sure
55 Foxtrot,
Is
woke up.
set.
FMS GPS.
I see direct Falcon, GPS mode is on, holding 4,000.
Cruise checklist complete.
Alrighty.
Right.
Looks like we've got just under an hour and a half flight. And now that we are in cruise, we're going to be just below the cloud layer, which is fine. Usually this close to the cloud layer, it's pretty bumpy. But the advantage is that the sun protection is a little bit cooler underneath the clouds. So it's like, if you can handle the bumps, then it's good.
I'm sorry, executive 418 Jack.
Pick your poison, right?
Pretty much, yeah.
Advised near the local weather and type of
For
approach
such
requesting.
a shorter flight like this, I don't really care to go up to 8,000 feet to get above these. I'd rather stay low.
Mostly runway 22 visuals. Billings 345, descend to maintain 10,000.
And we just finished filming one of our episodes of Chasin Tailwinds where we flew this Cessna Skylane down to Pompano Beach. We did a little bit of fishing, a little bit of boating. And then we flew up to St. Simon's Island, where we just departed out of, and grabbed some barbecue. I'm sure a lot of you guys are very familiar with Southern Soul. It's a pilot favorite on the East Coast, and Kevin's very first time going there. What did you think?
It was awesome.
Yeah.
I don't know why you haven't taken me there before.
And we even have some to go. I didn't finish mine, so we might be eating it for dinner as well.
Yep. Nice little brisket there.
So if you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. And this is the leg 3 of 3 of this whole trip. Just headed back home to Atlanta to tuck it away and get some rest after an eventful vacation.
Yep, time to go home.
Oh yeah, it is a little bumpy.
What?
I just spilled my water a little.
Oh no.
One of the coolest things about the Skylane is the endurance. So Pompano Beach is really far in South Florida, like almost down there at Miami, the Keys, and the Keys area. So we topped off in Pompano, flew the whole way up to St. Simon's Island, which is in Georgia, and now we're flying to Atlanta from here, and we didn't get fuel. We at our stopover, and we're still going to be landing with 26 gallons of fuel, which is almost 2 hours of fuel left after all that today.
That's a lot.
Yeah. So that's a nice thing. Like, we had that stop there, and we didn't have to worry about fuel or paying for fuel or waiting for them because there was a lot of people there. Like, it's needed.
Pretty awesome.
500.
I offered for you to fly, but
Sterling 345, maintain 1,000.
you haven't been feeling good lately.
No.
345.
I'm a little bit under the weather.
Yeah, I love that you know yourself well enough to be like, I haven't been sleeping well, I don't feel good, I'd rather not fly. It's time to be a passenger. Like,
Well, we've learned the lesson, right?
yeah, you've done it before to me where you wanted to fly so bad, but you weren't feeling well and you didn't fly very well, I will say.
No, I did not.
And now you've learned from that, which I think is really important. And whenever you made the decision today, when I was handing you the keys, like, are you ready to fly? And you said, honestly, no. Like, I just need to be a passenger today. I'm like, oh, all of the training is paid off. Like, finally, you made the decision.
Well, what would happen is I would be in the left seat only, and you would be flying from the right seat.
Yeah.
I do show one piece of VFR traffic just to the northeast of the field, about 2.5 miles at 1,000.
Need another day or two.
Looks like they just turned their base.
No, I understand.
Squawk 1200, frequency
We'll get you flying when you feel good again.
You have a good day, Joe. 345.
Thank you, you as well.
All right, well, we're just in cruise now. Easy does it. So we will check in back with you guys when it's time to land this baby.
Choose.
All right, we're back up about 8 minutes out from Falcon, 18 miles, about to start descending into the traffic pattern, going for the visual approach today.
Can't wait to go take a nap. Too much barbecue.
Yeah, should have redone our wing balance on the way back.
In 5 Charlie, the V4 traffic, I'll give you earlier now, 11 o'clock and 2 miles at 3,000.
Roger, I'm still looking for him, 5 Charlie Sierra.
Oh gosh, dang it. I hate when I can't find him.
Vertical track.
Oh, scare me. Jesus, lady.
How'd she do that?
Yeah, she went, oh, found him.
Traffic's in sight, 5 Charlie Sierra.
Why'd she say that?
November 5 Charlie Sierra, roger.
Approach 5 Charlie Sierra, we'll go ahead and cancel IFR.
5 Charlie Sierra, roger that. IFR cancellation is received. Squawk VFR. Change our device is approved. There's a couple targets between you and the airport. Use caution. A couple on the pattern as well. Have a good day.
VFR, have a good day. 245 Charlie Sierra.
Who else is calling?
I see the runway.
Sight.
We're like lined up on runway 31. Right. That came on because I have my VNAV profile set.
Tells you to descend.
It tells me when my top of descent is. I put in the G1000 that I wanted to be at traffic pattern altitude 3 miles from the airport. And when we get to the top of descent that I put in here, it comes on with that vertical track.
Got it.
Which tells me that I need to start my descent. Yeah, I got Falcon in sight. We're lined up on the runway, opposite way, but we want to land.
Turning left crosswind.
But we'll just kind of sidestep into the right downwind for runway 13. 13 over the lake. Alright, you want to grab my descent checklist?
Oh,
Read them off for me.
power,
Yeah.
mixture,
Yeah.
cow flaps,
Close.
fuel selector,
Both.
altimeter,
Set.
approach briefing.
For landing visual.
Falcon traffic.
Right
Archer
pattern for runway 13.
13, staying in the pattern. Falcon.
Avionics flight instruments.
What?
Avionics flight instruments.
We're all set. We're on Unicom.
352 Sierra Papa is on a mile and a half final for the RNAV.
As required.
13.
When we get closer.
Descent approach checklist complete.
Okay. I was wondering what that awkward pause was for.
I don't know.
Falcon traffic, Skylane 5, Charlie Sierra is about 6 miles to the southeast. Going to be joining the right downwind 13, full stop, Falcon.
So I know there's at least one person on close traffic. Someone's on the RNAV coming in. I see him. And someone else is on the ground. I think they're doing a touch and go.
Yeah, I'll be looking.
Yeah, please do.
Falcon traffic, Cessna 352 Sierra Papa, short final 13, full stop, Falcon.
Full stop.
Well, that's the guy that hasn't landed yet. There's one on the upwind right now. I see him. I see him.
Falcon traffic, Archer 70275, departure pattern to the west. Falcon.
Got him still?
Yeah.
Alright, you're
Falcon
good.
traffic, Skylane, we're kind of in an extended right down. We've got you in sight. We're at your 12 o'clock.
We'll turn a little to the left for you.
Thank you.
Alrighty, we got the airport to ourselves now.
Falcon traffic, Skylane 245, Charlie Sierra is on the 45 to join right downwind 13, Falcon.
For landing. 1,000 passenger seats.
Falcon traffic, Cessna 352 Sierra Papa, it's clear.
Seatbelts
Delta.
checked, secured, and locked.
Cross via Alpha back to the
Fuel selectors on both mixtures.
I'm working it in. Is forward.
And the taxi lights, you already got it on. Autopilot disengage.
Off. Alright.
Landing.
Falcon traffic, 5 Charlie Sierra, right downwind 13, full stop, Falcon.
See nobody else.
Alright, working the power back to about 15 on the manifold.
Archer 568 kilo is 15 miles to the west.
Be the numbers below 140, 510. All mixtures going in, prop is in, lights are in.
Falcon traffic, 5 Charlie Sierra, right base 13, Falcon.
Final's clear.
Falcon traffic, 5 Charlie Sierra is turning final 13, full stop, Falcon.
On a nose wheelie? They always tell you to protect that nose wheel.
She's protected.
Falcon traffic, Archer 70275, 4 to the south, maneuvering 1600, Falcon.
Falcon traffic, Skylane 5 Charlie Sierra is clearly active, taxi FBO via Alpha, Falcon.
Alright, flaps are up. Taxi light, cow flaps are open, and we're leaned.
So,
I'm driving.
Oh. I'm driving. She's driving now.
Feels good to be home.
That's fun.
Oh, super fun. Good trip, good trip. Hey, they left us a parking spot.
I was gonna say, where should you park her? Front and center, that'd be my guess.
All right. That's it. Time to shut down and let's go home and I'm tired.
For a long time.